How much current bill does a tech YouTuber pay? The most infamous common question I keep getting a lot of times. Either it be from my friends, relatives, or even from you people, subscribers. I get a lot of comments, especially in those videos which I make on high-end gaming PCs or PC build videos, right? There you people comment like, Vimal bhai, how much current bill do you get when you have like multiple gaming PCs running at your place? We are like very curious to know. And let me tell you, this video is going to be like super fun and very interesting, because once when I show you my power bills, now when you see the amount on it, it's gonna blow your mind. It'll be like completely unexpected, shocking truth, guys. You would have never imagined that, oh, tech YouTuber pays this much monthly. I'm telling you now, it's gonna be like very fun. And coming to the main topic, see, YouTubers. In YouTubers also, there are like different categories. You people know, right? Some people do like moto vlogging, some people are based on lifestyle videos, and some people do like, different sort of stuff. Gamers are there, tech reviewers like me. Different categories are there, and different category people have like different sort of power bill. Because if you say like a vlogger or a moto enthusiast now, most of these guys spend outside only. I think they spend very less time in their studio. Now if you take into consideration gamers or a tech reviewer like me, we spend 90% of the time in our studio only. And not only that, tech reviewers have like multiple tech items running at the same time, right? Parallel testing happens, editing keeps on happening, lots of studio lights are there, cameras. So different YouTuber categories have like different sort of appliances, and power bill keeps varying. So today we'll be discussing about tech reviewers, and gamers also come into this category only. So you people will get to know about tech reviewers and gamers, what sort of power bill do we pay. And not only that, there are a lot of other factors also that you should take into consideration. For example, if a YouTuber has his both home and studio at the same place, then he'll get like different sort of power bill. And for example, if both home and studio are like separated, like in my case, or maybe like any other popular tech reviewer with large subscriber base, right, he'll obviously have like a separate studio only. Then you'll get like a separate power bill for that studio. Today I'll be talking about only my studio, not my home, because my studio is like at a separate place rather than at my home. So previously, now until a couple of years ago, almost like 5 or 6 years ago, my home and studio used to be at the same place. Basically, studio was like a small room in my home only, but that was long ago. Right now I have like a complete different studio only. It's like a separate flat in an apartment building. And it's been almost like 7 to 8 years I've been doing like YouTube, guys. I've been making videos since such a long time. Time just flies like anyhow. So let me quickly tell you about my studio as well. As I've told you, studio is separate. This is like a 3-bedroom flat in an apartment building, and the entire area of this studio is around like 1800 square feet, guys. Has 3 bedrooms and multiple rooms as well. So I've dedicated like each bedroom for different sort of application. For example, the room that you are seeing right now is like 1 bedroom over here. I've converted this particular bedroom into my speaking talking area, and also has like my PC setup behind me. You might already see it in all my videos, right? Whenever I give like intros, outros, or any sort of explanation, all that happens over here. My other bedroom is dedicated for my dad's PC setup, where he does videos for his channel. And my other one more third bedroom is dedicated for like a laptop shooting area, and all that stuff happens there. You've got like big lights and all of that. Let me know if you guys are actually interested in checking out my studio. I can make like a separate video on that. But most of the time now, my studio is like a big mess, guys, because I'm a tech reviewer, right? I get like so many couriers, packages every day, and every day I get around like 10 to 12 packages directly arriving. So it's a bit of mess, guys. You'll see lots of boxes, cupboards filled with tech items. Wherever you open, I think mountains of products just keep falling. That's why I don't usually show my cupboards and all of that stuff in my videos. Anyways, we'll keep these matters aside for now. I'll give you like a glimpse and maybe talk about that in a separate studio tour video maybe. Right now we'll just come back to our topic. So coming back to the power bills, guys, as you can see, I gathered all my power bills of almost last 1 year, guys. All my bills are over here. I'll be showing you all of them in this video right now, so you'll get like a basic average idea how much current bill do I pay. And before saying that, let me tell you, I've got like 3 of these systems, like 8 to 10 hours running every day at my studio, guys. And these are like quite powerful systems. Editings, recordings, gameplay, all of these keep happening over here. And apart from that, I've got like multiple studio lights also running, and also a lot of product testings also keep happening, right? Like 2 to 3 laptops are always being tested in the background, and multiple things happen. So you'll have to keep all of these things in mind. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at these bills, and then talk about power bill do I get every month at my place. So here are all my current bills that I've paid in the last 1 year. Let me just fold the top area because that has like my address details and all that, right? I don't want to show that in the video. I'll just give you like a glimpse at how many units are being consumed per month, the date, month, everything, and also the actual power bill I get. So this particular current bill is from my last month, guys, November to December 2022. And there you go, boys. This is what I paid last month. Only 362 rupees. What? You might be like, are you kidding me, Vimal? To be honest, guys, this is what I exactly pay every month. Now, to give you like an average, every month I get a power bill of around like 300 to 400 rupees. That is it. This is what I get. Now, I'm not sure what sort of power bills you were expecting. Let me know, did you actually guess that I would get this much, or have you imagined I'll be getting in thousands? I'd love to read your thoughts. So, as I've told you, that was November to December, right? This is September to October, and over here we got a power bill of around like 588 rupees. Now, that is because during that time we had like Diwali, Dasara festivals, right? So many product launches and stuff happened, right? So you got slightly higher power bill during that month. But again, if you go back to previous months, right, maybe like August or maybe September, this one is from July to August, as you can see, 2022. Here again we got back to around like 300 rupees. 315 is what I paid in August month. So that's it. This is the kind of average I've been getting. Let me show you the previous months also. This is from May to June 2022. Here also we paid an average of only around like 373 rupees. That's it. So guys, this is the kind of average current bill I've been paying in the last 6 months. But in fact, if you actually go more earlier, before 6 months, I used to pay only around like 150 to 250 average. This is the kind of power bill I used to get. In the last 6 months, I've actually upgraded a lot of equipments and added a lot of more stuff. So that contributed maybe to slightly more increase in the price. Now my studio power bills are completely different from my home power bills. There's a big difference over there. If you guys are actually interested, I can even make a video and show you what sort of current bill I get my home also. Okay, truth has been revealed, right? So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Did you actually imagine that I'll be getting this sort of power bill? It's actually very less, right? In fact, let me tell you, this is actually high. Last year I used to get even less, guys, only around like 200, 250 rupees only. My assumption is maybe in the last 6 months I've upgraded all my PC setups, right, with the newer gen CPUs. So these newer gen CPUs are actually a bit more power hungry than the last gen. And not only that, we also added like a couple of fitness gym equipment in one of the rooms. We've got like a treadmill and these sort of stuff. Maybe all of these factors have contributed and slightly increased the power bill in the last 6 months. So guys, what do you think? And also, if any other YouTubers are also watching my video, share your power bill, current bill, what sort of amount do you get every month in the comment section, because a lot of people will be like very interested to know about that. And not just YouTubers or anything, guys, even if you're like a common guy, share your power bill also. I'm also like pretty interested and curious to know what sort of amount do you pay monthly. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know something very interesting. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.